guys, welcome to Funkins! Today on our channel we have this beautiful Barbie doll. She's a ballerina, and we have this big, ginormous Putty surprise. So what we're going to do today is we're each going to open something. So we have slime, Putty, eggs, surprise Play-doh eggs, and our Barbie doll, of course. And I'll start first.
Me.
Alright, you can start first. What do you want to open, Chris? You can't open the big one. Not yet. Come on. Think. 5, 4. Okay, let me get Play-doh. Wow!
Pet shop.
You got a pet shop. Here, put that over there. Alright, we have a little kitty with a deco bit on it. There's a little deco bit. And we... Oh no! Put it on her head. And there we go. Here's our little kitty. Alright. Our little kitty, Littlest Pet Shops. I wish I had the checklist to show you. Alright, I'm going to open a Play-doh surprise. I'm going to open this big surprise egg. Give me something good, give me something good, give me something good. Alright, it's going to have something good in it. I know it. Ooh, it's big.
It's not
Not a Shopkins.
No!
It's a Shopkins. It's a toy covered in Play-doh. Yay! That's what we all want.
Yeah.
No, we don't. These are mystery stack pack figure. Really cool.
No.
Cool. I love these Suprises. They look so big in the camera, but they're actually so tiny, like Shopkins. Alright, Christian, do you want to open something? I'll get this Play-doh off. Alright, what do you want to open?
That one?
Yeah, you can open that.
Okay.
Okay.
It's a pig.
Pig.
Okay.
Is that a pig?
Yeah.
Get it out. Don't show me, show the camera.
Pick. Yeah, the pig. Look at the pig. The pig.
Yeah, he doesn't really know how to speak yet, guys, so, but I think you can understand him. It's the pig.
Chocolate.
Yes. Alright, guys, so let me show you the Tsum again. And this is Dale.
Yeah.
Tsum Dale. Cute. We also have, excuse me, we also have a little crystal surprise piggy here. Your eyes hurt, I'm so sorry. Alright, now, why did you leave the Play-doh there, Chris? Alright, now I'm going to open an egg. I'm going to open this pink egg. Whoa. Alright.
Inside.
Barbie, what do you have for us? Surprise! Another crystal surprise thing. This one is a little crystal surprise baby pet. This is Vanity. Cute.
Gold.
Okay, I'll put her right there.
With the pig?
What do you want to open, Chris? Come on, don't do that.
The
Okay.
Play-doh?
No. Open this one.
Okay, checking. Wow, red.
Alright, just get it out. Pull it out. Pull it out. Don't do that, Chris. Yeah. get it out.
Oh, see that girl. A second. A second.
You're not even on the camera.
A second.
Okay, put that in the putty cup thing. We have little pet color, and this is an ultra rare Shopkin, which just got on our hands. So ultra rare, sparkly, and has an ombre color. Excuse me, Chris? The slime farted. Yeah. Alright. Cute. We'll put on the bed. There. I'll open something else. I'll open this blue egg. What do you have for us, blue egg? Something big. Sounds something big. We have Lily from the Puppy in My Pocket collection.
Yeah.
Christian's just playing with his cars.
No, no. One.
Alright, what do you want to open now?
The big one.
The big one?
A pink. A pink.
Alright, get it out. Nope, pull it out. Yeah. Pull it out because or else it's going to take a really long time.
Okay.
I'll take your cup.
Well, let's see second. Ta-da! Nope. Ta-da! Oh.
Is there even a Shopkin in there? Yes, there is.
Yes. Maybe.
Yes, there is a Shopkin in there.
Maybe.
I know who it is.
The second.
Alright, the Shopkin just fell. Alright, this is the Shopkin that he got. It's Banana Splitty. Cute. Alrighty, I'm gonna open,
The pink one.
now let's open this pink surprise egg. Oh, so squishy Play-doh. So we have Suze Sunday. Let's open this purple egg now. We have, alright guys. Okay, this is something. I know it's your turn. You'll open that orange egg.
Down.
No, you won't open both of them. Alright, anyway, guys. Let's open it up. Let's see.
Again.
Yeah, another Little's Pet Shop. This is a little possum, I think.
Yeah, a puzzle.
Possum.
Jump up.
Alright, open the orange egg.
Down egg.
There's Play-doh right there.
It is mine. Okay, open it. Okay, look up.
He's saying that he's gonna open that one, and I'm like, what? Ah, darn it! I should have wanted to open that one. Alright, let me see this in. This is Figure Out a Tsum Tsum. A Tsum Tsum mystery stack pack figure. I really love it. Cute. Wait a second. Alright guys, now it's the awesomest.
So cute.
Wait a second. Wait a second, please. Whoa! Sorry guys, some background issues. We have this awesome Putty. I'm gonna get one surprise. You're gonna get one surprise. Okay, I'm gonna look for one surprise. Excuse me. Christian's just shoving in here. I'm like, no. Let's see who we have. I'm so excited. I really want a Shopkin. We always have a lot of Shopkins, so I'm hoping this is a Shopkin at least. Doesn't look like one, because it looks like a zombie. Whoa, it's not a zombie. We have Lisa Litter. Cute. From season 2. And it's a Shopkin, so yay. Okay, let's see who else we have. I'm feeling something. Whoa, it's a tunnel. We have Tony Tupper. Whoa, sorry guys, that was just my battery thing's running low. Alright, so there it is. Tony Topper. Okay. See if there's any surprises. Oh, that one just popped right up. Alright, so we have, let me see, this is,
I think
this, stop! Alright guys, so Christian is going to open the last surprise in here, and we have Sharon's shoe, right? That's a little cute shoe. Looks like a ballerina shoe. Alright, Chris, get out the last surprise. Here.
no price there. Nope. No price. I see. Chocolate shoe.
What is this, Chris? What is it?
Shoe.
Yes, it's a shoe. So this is Wilma Wedge, and she's a little wedge shoe.
Pink or purple.
Yeah, we have both colors of this. Alright guys, so that is it for our today's video. My favorite was gonna have to be the Tsum Tsum Mystery Backpack figure, which is Figaro. What is your favorite today, Chris?
Dun.
Which one?
Dun.
No, which one do you want to like better? This one or this one?
Pick.
The pig? Christian's favorite is the little crystal surprise pig. So, at least they're both chubby and cute. Alright guys, please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe down below. It's totally free, right, Chris? And please comment and subscribe. So, one last time. Please please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye-bye.